Alright, what I'm showing you is your next project, which is creating a comic strip. As you can see, I already created my comic strip. It's called Mini Twist. All I use is 4 slides. You can use 6 slides, 7, 8, 9, however many you want to. The main things I want to point out is that every slide should look pretty much, uh, there is going to be things that are going to look the same, and then there's others that are going to just move around. As I go from slide 1 to slide 2 to 3 to 4, you notice that my tornado guy here stays the same and everything else changes. Everything else is created by just using shapes. The shapes button is right here, shapes, and I use just all these different shapes. You see there's a lightning bolt, I use the sun, clouds here, you can use arrows. When you make your characters talk, you want to use something in shapes called callouts. That's where these thought bubbles come into play. You can make them as big or small as you want, like I did here, and then you just type what the characters are saying. I do not want you making any, adding any images or videos on these. A comic should just be done by making characters in Google Slides. You can change the layout of your slides, and this is the layout button, should all be blank. Every one of your slides should be blank so you can create whatever you want on them. If you want to change the background color, you click background, choose your color there, okay? Remember, you can add any slides you want. An easy way to do this is, first of all, on your title slide, your main cover to your comic strip, you should, after you do this, make it however you want to make it. Then you should go up here to slide and go to duplicate slide, which is right here, which will basically copy this same slide for number 2. Then you can just delete and add whatever you want. That's what I did here, where I kept the tornado in the same spot, and I just added all these clouds and different things. And if I didn't want something, I just click on it and hit backspace. Also notice that I made a text box here. That can be done by just clicking the text box, dragging, and then typing whatever I want inside of it. So that's your next project. I want you to make as many slides you want. Your comic should be, usually comics are somewhat funny. As you can see, mine here, the tornado really is hungry. The people think that they're coming for their house, so they run for cover. And really what happens is the tornado really sees the McDonald's, and he's really hungry for getting McDonald's. So that's my comic, and I hope you have a good time making yours.